Hi, thank you for tuning in today. We're going to be pouring a slab. It's raining. It ain't raining too bad, but we're going to be pouring a small slab here, a little landing, and we're going to be stamping it. Also featured in this video today, we're going to have the Harbor Freight 1 1/4 cubic foot mixer. We're going to really put it to the test today. 9 bags of 80-pound, 5,000 psi concrete. Okay, I got it in there. Took all 9 bags. A little bit on the dirt there. Yep. So this is the stamp that we're going to be using. It's a wood grain. I was able to procure this stamp from Amazon. It was a little expensive, but I figured I'll use it a couple times. I'll get my monies out of it. Nothing too major. That might be. I think it's firming up. I think it's just about ready. So we're gonna throw down the release. I got this release at the local concrete store. It's a medium gray. That's all I could do. I kind of wanted like a wood color, a brown, but I can live with it. So this is the release I got. I got it on the house. What are you gonna do? All right. I like it. How do I want to go about getting this last little square? Tampity tamp tamp. Ain't bad. All right. All right. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm happy with it. Looks good right now. All right. It got a little bit cold over here, so I covered the slab with some insulation and a tarp, and it's been 48 hours. We're gonna have to pull this tarp up. We're gonna have to rinse it off and take a look at it. Alright, there you have it. Well, I kind of wonder if the rain got to it. I got some aggregate showing through. Um, but I'm happy with it. I'm going to get a wet look sealer, something to keep it kind of looking like this, and we'll go from there. I'm going to wrap it back up with insulation. It's still a little cold and I want to let it keep curing.